Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
First, I will walk you through quick checks that fix most logout loops. Ensure your browser or app can store cookies and local storage for Discord. Check that you did not enable a cookie blocker or strict privacy settings. Avoid signing into Discord on many devices at once because session conflicts cause forced logouts. Also, sync your computer or phone clock to internet time to prevent authentication tokens from appearing expired. These quick checks often stop repeated logouts immediately. Next, clear corrupted cache and cookies that break sessions. On Windows, open %appdata%/discord/cache and delete files, or use settings to clear app cache on mobile. In browsers, remove Discord. Calm cookies and site data, then restart the browser and sign in. If clearing data does not help, uninstall Discord completely and reinstall the latest version from the official site or App Store. Reinstalling refreshes authentication files and often resolves persistent logout behavior for desktop and mobile clients. Finally, apply advanced fixes and tighten account settings to prevent future logouts. Disable VPNs, proxies, or Tor because changing IPs can invalidate Discord tokens and force reauthentication. In the desktop app, turn off hardware acceleration and appearance to avoid crashes that cause logouts. Verify your email, enable two-factor authentication, and save backup codes to regain access if needed. If you still see forced logouts, contact Discord support and provide your operating system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.